What's up, YouTube? Uh, just a quick video to let you know about the 2019 Openers Open. You can take part in a big collaboration with other people, random internet weirdos like you and me. Open to all comers. The idea: you make a bottle opener any way you want. You make a video of it. You put the video up on YouTube with the hashtag 2019 Openers Open. It's got to be published on the 24th of May, which is, I guess, it's a holiday in the U.S. In Canada, we have May 2-4, so I guess May 24th is American May 2-4, something like that. Due to the metric system, this year May 2-4, real May 2-4 is actually the weekend before the May 24th weekend, but I can work with that. Sounds like a lot of fun to me. This is SWDweeb's idea. I think it's a good one. Perry's a good guy, and he's been putting out a lot of great videos lately, so go check him out if you haven't already seen him. I bought all these cast iron bottle openers a while ago just to use for molding practice. Some of them look like fun, and I do plan on casting them all at some point, so I'm in. I don't know if I'm going to use any of these though, because I have another idea that might be my actual 2019 Openers Open entry. So I'll see if I can come up with some kind of original pattern and cast it. See if I can get a video out of it. Hopefully at least have one casting video both before the end of American May 2-4. Alright, Tobho, Mott out.